아이,
에이,
그래서 우리 언제 시작해?
잠깐만. 우리 지금 녹화하는 거야? 우리 근데 영어로 해야 되지 않나?
잠만. 그러면 뭘로 시작하면 좋을까?
음,
오케이.
Hello, we're the Korea representative team from the school Korean Minjuk Leadership Academy. First, I would like to say it's a great honor to be here as the top 10 IMMC teams worldwide. Though I feel a bit like a latecomer of the party since I arrive a bit late. But still, I'm so looking forward to meet you all. Oh yeah, and I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Midsa Park, the team leader. Now, I'll start to tell you about how we built our mathematical model. Well, all of our team members were quite sleep deprived during the 5-day journey, but ironically, I had to think of how to minimize the athletes' travel fatigue or jet lag. I worked mostly on the game scheduling part and also modeling a game time calculation considering the viewership fairness of both home and away teams.
Hi, I'm Jaehyun Won. IMC hasn't been easy given this was my first time trying mathematical modeling. That's why it's a great honor to be here at the IMMC 2025 Summit. During the competition, I worked on the core modeling process. I proposed using information entropy and helped refine the overall structure of our report. It was tough. We spent countless hours and sleepless nights polishing the report. But in the end, it was all worth it. Not just because of the results, but because I grew so much through the process. I learned how to think critically and apply mathematics to real-world problems in a meaningful way.
Hi, I'm Jay Lee. I was in charge of the simulation process. Applying formulas we created to the simulation was not an easy process. It was frustrating to discover vulnerabilities in our model one by one during the simulation process. But with my excellent and clever teammates, I could persevere through the adversity and finally yielded the exact schedule that our team wanted so desperately.
Hello, my name is Junsu Park. Well, I'm a bit nervous right now, but it's truly an honor to be in the global top 10. Let me introduce myself. I have an older brother and also a very cute dog at home. I think my biggest contribution was just cheering passionately for my team members right next to them. Honestly, I'm really sleepy right now, so after this, I will go back to sleep. Top 10. Wow, it's truly an honor. Thank you.